Hi guys, Julie Q from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to do another party with you, or for you, with you, or whatever with you today. Trying to keep away from the fridge, so I'm doing art. Keep away from the fridge, trying to flatten the curve. Just trying to flatten the curve. Okay, so I think, yeah, rather paint than eat. So this was something, there was a painting under it I wasn't real happy with. It was a nice big canvas, so I didn't really want to just get rid of the canvas. So I decided to, I put a base coat of black over it, then still the pattern from the old pour came through. I just tried a couple of things. I've just like, oh my goodness, I've tried all sorts with it. So I'm going to see if I can recoat it again and see what we get with it. Thinking on my feet. This was just the black I make up in the, or any old containers I try and keep to just keep making up my paints in them. I'm having a bit of a block. What I thought I started with has completely gone, but I may just, I'm just going to do it. I'm using Mont Studio Acrylics on this one again, as I do. I have my pouring recipe for the medium I use is in the drop down box, as I tell you each and every time. Strange thing is I still get people asking me that obviously don't look in the box, but that's okay. Yeah, they're all Mont pouring paints, and I've made up the pouring medium with my 70 30 of the clear glue. If you're in the US and you have you can get your hands on the Helmar's glue all. That's the only one that I've found works really well as a pouring medium. 70% glue, 30% water. That works great. I just use a couple of drops of my Helmar silicone, and I've used every silicone under the sun, and I really do find that is one of the best, so I love it. So what have I used here? A couple of custom colors. This one is the turquoise going back on. I'm going to kind of leave this space here just for something different, just because I haven't done it before. I think I'm going to put the last bit of this, it's a maroon, which I made up out of the Mont Marte's, I think this was the Mont Marte red, and then I added some blue, but not too much to send it too dark. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but those colours look pretty blah together, so I'll have to really brighten the whole thing up, hopefully in a second or two. The last little bit of my really dark cherry, black cherry, aubergine, whatever I'd like to call it. Yeah, I hope you guys are all coping all right with the isolation that we're all being forced into at the moment. It's not a very nice situation, but hopefully you guys are all well with it, coping, should I say. So this is, it was the orange, and I'm not sure if I put yellow in with it or what I did with it, because these colours have been made up a few days ago. I made up quite a big batch of colours, so as I could spend the next days pouring pouring so it wouldn't be very boring. That's the method in my madness of going to use up the rest of this and then hopefully try and tilt it without going into my negative space area, but you know, if it does, we'll work that out when that happens. I can't remember the size of the canvas. I will try and measure it at some point to give you idea. It is a little bit of a bigger canvas than I normally do for my pours, but as I said, this was a piece that I did for one of my walls but ended up not liking it at all. It's kind of, I just didn't like it, so I didn't want to sell it. So I'm just trying to pour over it. Trying to pour a very boring piece that it was. I'm not sure whether these colours will do much justice to it either, but you know, just try. That's all I can do. I might brighten the whole proceedings up and put a bit of yellow in there too. I was thinking that I should swipe in yellow, but not sure how that would go. I suppose I should try it. It's going to be difficult swiping because I've got it such an odd shape, but might try swiping down there with the yellow. Let's see. Got to try these things, and that's it. Just don't be scared of it. It's only paint. Just go with it. Just try it, and you can, you know, scrape it off if it doesn't work. So I'm going to go down this way first. Obviously adding this yellow is going to send some of that green, more green, a different green. Yeah, this is just, it's just a muck around day for me, just trying new things, seeing if they work, and if they don't, they don't. I might come down this edge with white, maybe. Let's try it. I might end up filling the centre up, I'm not sure. I'm just doing a completely freestyle, so see how we go. I will. Let's drop the edge of, this is a soft plastic file divider, and I find it my very best tool for swiping. Maybe I'll pour that down there too, so I can continue straight across. This is, yeah, definitely freestyle. It's here, there and everywhere. Sometimes it's just worth just trying really crazy things. I've got a cough, I haven't got a cold. I should keep some water by me. Actually, I have got the fridge there, so I don't know what I'm saying about that. I have got water by me. We've got the beer fridge in the garage where my studio is, so it's a good place to have it, isn't it? I'll get disappointed with a pour. I can pour a different kind of pour. No, I'm not a big drinker. I am what you call a two-pot screamer. Not a big drinker at all. Just trying to, I'm going a bit crazy with this. Bear with me, let's hope. You know, if it doesn't turn out how I kind of envisage, then it's all good. All good. If not, it was a pour that I wasn't happy with anyway, so to have a play with it, I'm quite happy to try different things. Oh, that is a bigger canvas, it's a bit, yeah. Okay. see what swiping down this way with this does to this. Wowzers. Not sure I want to do anything through there. Maybe some little, this is just a little piece of soft plastic on the end of that. Take it through there. I do intend balloon embellishing this, so if you're not a balloon lover, you don't need to watch it any further, because I will balloon embellish it. Okay, my little heat wand, Wonder Wand. Decisions. I'm going to pour white in that leftovery bit. The black is just too stark for these lovely bright colours, way too stark, so I will leave that, and then I will transfer my balloon dips from the colourful parts to this part. That is my intention, but whether it turns out that way again is another thing. Just go with it, just enjoy the process. I do want to kind of spread that about a little bit, so see how we go. So yeah, if you've got some canvases that you're not particularly keen on the pour that's there, just if you want to try, use you can use them as your experiments for sure, because that's it, you know, if they're not going to do anything and you're not happy with them and you're not going to sell them, then you might as well just have a play with them. Use them for your art lab day when you do your experiments. Not too worried about the sides, because I can always fix those up afterwards. No biggie. Now I believe that I will need to leave this to dry off a bit, but I will try my big Black Bertha balloon. I have got actually a nice big beach ball that I want to do a big banger on with my beach ball, so let's see. I'll just see if this starts to fall in as I'm ballooning it, then I'll go away, have a cup of coffee, and I'll come back to you guys. Ooh. No, does she? Yeah, let's see. When that's falling in, really falling in, that's... Oh, look at that. I should do that, shouldn't I? Well, okay. That on the bottom of that. No, it's not. It's actually, yeah, it's too wet at the moment, so go away and come back. That's what I need to do. Okay, I'm going to leave this for a little while. I'm going to go and have a cup of coffee, and I'll be back with you in about 1 second. Okay guys, it's only been about 15 minutes. I just come back and tried a few little things on it, but I think I'm just going to have to like go gangbusters with this and let nothing stop me. just balloon roll, kiss, and do whatever I choose to do with it. So here goes. I'm going to do big roll all the way. I've got this one, I'm holding the balloon belly button there because it gives me a little bit more control, but let's just see what I get with a big roll. Let's, hang on, I haven't got my angle right. Let's give it a go. Nope, okay, let's go back that way. Let's go back that way. Let's just do these big feathers all the way through it. I believe I'm just going to go for it. Crazy mad artist, scientist girl. Wow, okay. Just go for it. Enjoy it. That's what I reckon. Ha! Well, there you go. Haven't done one of those before. But it's all been done before. It's just kissing and rolling with the balloon. Kissing and rolling and sliding. Bringing some of them colours into the white is nice. I suppose I should stop, walk away from the canvas, because that's enough. Alright, I'm going to leave it. It does look like I've hit it with a lot of feathers. I've still got lots of lovely lacing. The colours are popping through. Something I've not gone AWOL before on the canvas. Absolutely crazy, but that one I just did it and I feel good for it. So whether anyone else likes it or not, it's your art room, your art, your therapy. It's what you choose to do, what you feel good doing. So, you know, just go for it, people. Just enjoy it, especially with what's happening at the moment. If you're feeling like you need to take some of your frustrations out on canvas, then so be it. So be it. So again, once again, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It is growing so rapidly. I am shocked. But thank you guys so much. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed and you'd like to do so, please do so. I'd be so grateful. It is completely free. Don't ask anything of you. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a stunner. I actually like it. I'm very happy with that. It was one of my crazy ones that I just didn't care what I did, and sometimes you have to have those days. Thank you guys for joining me. Until next time, bye for now. I have got a few fun things planned, little projects that you might like to do, to give us gifts or sell. So let's all have fun together and create, because that's all we really can do at the present time. So bye for now.